Harrow
and
Ellesmere
Whitefield.
Pond, Ellesmere Junction.
Please mind the gap
and
between
Berrily.
the train and the platform.
Due to a short platform, passengers for
This station
New
is
Harrow
Stepford
and
Central.
Ellesmere Pond should travel
This
in
train
the front
is
5
for
coaches.
Berrily.
This train is
The next
formed
station
of 6
will be
coaches.
Fourways.
The train now standing at platform 15 is the 12:55 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2 via Stepford.
This is a metro service to Berrily. Calling at Fourways, Stepford East, High Street, St Helens Bridge, New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction and Berrily. The next station will be Fourways. We are now approaching Fourways. This is a metro service train and the platform Stepford Central. The next station will be
Stepford East, High Street, St Helens Bridge, New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction, and Berrily. Due to a short platform, passengers for New Harrow and Ellesmere Pond should travel in the front 5 coaches. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
is Fourways. This train is for Berrily. The next station will be Stepford East. This is a metro service to Berrily. Now approaching Stepford East. Change here for services to Stepford UFC. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.